Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find out the number of people that have watched your Instagram video or reel. So for example, I have uploaded this reel right here, and if I want to find out how many people has watched this particular reel, then what you can do is that you need to go back and click on this reels icon between these two icons, and then once you click the reel icon, you can notice that there is a number just beneath this reel which says 0. So besides, there is also an eye icon right there. So this icon basically means the number of views your reel has got. So now you can determine easily how many viewers are watching your reels. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.